Hey everybody! In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a simple Feltie. This design is a bear from Parker on the Porch, but the skills you'll learn will help you make other Felties as well. If you haven't seen my What's a Feltie video yet, I'll put a link in the cards above and in the description below. Let's get started.
Hoop a piece of tearaway stabilizer. Most Feltie designs have a placement stitch to show you where to place your felt. This one does not, so I'm placing a piece of felt that fills the entire hoop. You can also use marine vinyl instead. Stitch the first step, the cheeks and inside of the ears. Then stitch the eyes, nose, and mouth. I'm trimming the jump stitches. There are a few reasons to trim them as you go instead of leaving them until you're finished. The presser foot could get caught on them, or they might show under subsequent stitching and be hard to remove. Next, stitch the white part of the eyes. Then the body details. Turn your hoop over and cover the back with a piece of felt. Tape in place or use spray adhesive designed for machine embroidery. Put the hoop back on the machine. Run the last step, the final outline. Remove your felties from the hoop and tear away the stabilizer. Cut the felties apart, then tear away the rest of the stabilizer. Trim loose threads and any remaining jump stitches. Cut out your felties about 1/8 of an inch from the stitching. If you want to learn more, hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon. Thanks for watching.